It is a day that voices come together at every vote. Inside the polling stations like this, citizens, they have the power to shape their future. So, voting is simple, private, and it's a key one. And each ballot is treated with respect. For instance, behind me is a polling station, and this is Alpha International SDA Church. It's one of the located polling stations, number 9, and we will be voting here, making our voices heard, being heard on Tuesday. So it is your right to vote. Your vote is your voice. It is your right, your duty, and your chance to make a difference. So on Tuesday, come make your voice to be heard, and come make your resolution, choose your leader of choice. So assuming this was in Kenya, I'm sitting in front of a polling station. Wewe ungefanya namna gani? Labda mtu angesema kwamba unaleta makaratasi ukaweka ndani, mtu ameiba kura zangu, such like things. Lakini imagine this thing is very secure, very safe. Hata seal, sijui my cameraman can point at the seal. This is the seal, and things are good, looking good. And Alpha International Church is one of the polling stations. So come and do your duty on Tuesday. Remember, if you don't choose, don't complain. Good leaders are chosen or elected by people who vote, and bad leaders as well are voted in by people who don't vote. So kama unapenda mtu fulani, kuja upige kura. Kama unapenda mtu fulani, kuja upige kura. Kura yako ni haki yako. I'm Reynolds TV, and this is AGR.